Note that only options relevant to your motorcycle model will be shown by GS911. Consult the GS911 function chart at this URL for all options relevant to your motorcycle. On some BMW motorcycles with flat panel instrumentation displays, you can choose whether the display shows a race-style upshift icon. You can also change the behavior of the upshift light function. These coding functions also apply to BMW motorcycles that have a physical upshift light as part of the instrument cluster. Click Coding Functions. Click Shift Light. Enable or disable the physical upshift light or flat screen upshift icon by clicking the relevant radio button. If the upshift light or icon function is enabled, you can choose its dynamic behavior. To allow the motorcycle software to choose the engine RPM point at which the light or icon activates, click Off. To enable an instrument cluster submenu that lets you customize the upshift light's behavior, click 5000 to 12,500. To program your settings into the instrumentation display, click Continue. If you clicked 5000 to 12,500, customize the shift light or icon's behavior by entering the display menu. Using the multi-controller, go to Settings. Go to Vehicle Settings. Scroll down to Shift Light. Make sure the option is checked. Switch the function on. Go into the submenu. Set the engine RPM value at which the upshift light begins to flash. For best acceleration, this should be at an RPM point sometime after the engine develops its peak power. For best torque and fuel economy, this should be at an RPM point sometime after the engine develops its peak torque. Set the engine RPM value at which the upshift light ceases to flash. Selecting a value greater than the engine's actual rev range is a good way to ensure that the light flashes up to the engine's rev limit and beyond. Set the brightness of the upshift light or icon. Set the frequency at which the upshift light or icon flashes. The Hertz number is equivalent to flashes per second.